Did you know that Germany has an area of almost 360,000 kilometers squared? This makes Germany the 7th biggest country in Europe. Can you guess what these German words are in English?
Die Erde.
The Earth,
Die Sonne.
the Sun,
Der Mond.
the Moon,
Das Meer.
the Sea,
Die Landschaft.
the Landscape,
Der Fluss.
the River,
Der Berg.
the Mountain,
Der Wald.
the Forest,
Die Blume.
the Flower,
Der Baum.
the Tree. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below what your score was and subscribe for weekly German challenges. Craving more? Try our app for free at cognatelanguages.com.